Isang masayang pagbati na may ngiti sa aking mga labi. Naghahanap ba kayo ng makakatuwang sa pagre-review ng inyong anak? Meron yan sa DepEd. Ang ETUlay online tutorial ay libre at handog ng ating kagawaran sa pangunguna ng OUA ICTS EdTech. Ito ay isang proyektong makatutulong sa mga mag-aaral, katuwang ang mga magulang o kasama sa kani-kanilang tahanan para masagutan at maunawaan ang mga modules. Hangad din ng programang ETUlay ang matulungan ang ating mga guro sa kanilang mga blended learning classes. Ang ating ETUlay ay mula kinder hanggang senior high school. Bukod sa academics, meron din tayong mga special programs gaya ng All is Wellness, Reading and Math Remediation, Storytelling, Mommy Tech Talks, Classes sa Gramatika, Speech Class, Financial Literacy, at marami pang iba. Pinalawig din ng ETUlay ang ating Alive program para sa mga mag-aaral mula grade 1 hanggang grade 3. Gayun din ay mayroon tayong ALS program at SPED tutorials na makasisigurong makakamit ng lahat ang inclusive education. May SPED hotline na rin para sa inyong mga katanungan patungkol sa special education. Kaya, subaybayan mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, mula 9:00 ng umaga hanggang 7:00 ng gabi ang ating ETUlay. Sa ating pagtutulungan, maiaangat natin ang bawat isa. Ating itutulay ang pagkatuto upang di mapigil ang pag-aaral ng kabataang Pilipino. Itulay natin ito, sulong edukalidad.
Mabuhay! Good day to all! I am your tutor Max. Welcome to ETUlay, a free online tutorial, an initiative of the Department of Education, Information and Communications Technology Service, Educational Technology Unit, ICTS EdTech. This program is aimed at helping and assisting learners from kindergarten, senior high school, ALS, Alive, and SPED learners. Aside from answering the modules, the ETUlay is offering programs which you will surely look forward to. Together with our parents and teachers, the ETUlay will bridge the gaps where difficulty and ease meet in learning new knowledge and skills. So, let us prepare our modules, pen and paper. Ready your mind to see and hear worthwhile and interesting lessons. Let us now study and learn, together with our volunteer online tutors. Tara na!
Hello, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, Tutor Prince.
Hello, good afternoon, Tutor Prince. Okay, isa na namang magandang Friday ng hapon para sa ating lahat. Opo.
Wait lang po.
What a way to, to say goodbye sa isa na namang matrabahong week.
Opo.
While learning at the same time. Mula sa ating mga mamshi, Tutor Jovi and Tutor Wella. Yes. Okay. So, ang topic natin ngayon, ano ba?
Ang topic natin ngayon, sir, is all about dividing 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers, dividing mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, or 1,000 without and with remainder.
Ayan. So, sa math 4, magdi-divide lang tayo ng numbers. Hindi tayo yung magkakawatak-watak, hindi tayo mag-away-away, lalo na ngayon na, uso na ngayon sa social media ang mga nag-a-unfriend, mga nagba-block dahil sa kanilang nag-iibang opinion patungkol sa politics. Ano po?
Yes.
Ayan.
Wag tayong sir. Wag tayong pa-impluwensya.
Yes. So, dito tayo sa Math 4, magdi-divide tayo ng numbers para mas maging maalam tayo sa pagko-compute. Alright? Ano po yung mga objectives natin, Tutor Jovi?
Okay, so siyempre, Tutor Prince, ito muna. Kami muli
Yes.
ang inyong mga tutor, si Tutor Prince, si Tutor Wella, at siyempre, ang inyong lingkod, Tutor Jovi. So every Friday, Math 4, 3 to 3:40 p.m. Then, Tutor Wella, ang pasalamatan natin ang ating ng module natin.
Okay, so kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga writers ng module at sa central office sa pagpapagamit ng module na to at most especially sa development team ng ating module. Okay po.
Okay. So,
Yes.
ito na po, Tutor Prince, ang ating objectives. So, after going through this module, you are expected to divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers without and with remainder. At divide mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, or 1,000 without and with remainder. Yun po ang ating
Yes.
pag-uusapan ngayon.
Ang mga anak ko.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ang
So,
ang
last
saya-saya. Oo. Yes, sir.
ano po?
Ang last week po, ang pinag-aralan natin ay solving multi-step problem involving multiplication, addition, and subtraction po. Okay, yun po yung ating
Non-routine and non-routine
non-
problems.
yes. Okay.
Kaya naman, we are now gearing towards na sa ating pag-divide ng whole number.
Yes.
Yes po.
So with that, papaalam na po ang P sa PWJ. Kami po ang persons with joyful hearts.
Yes.
Bye-bye. Take it away. Ma'am
Okay.
Jovi and Ma'am Shuela. Bye-bye po.
Yes, Sir Prince.
Yes
Thank
po.
you po.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
So,
Yes,
Tutor
Tutor Wella.
Jovi, bago tayo mag-start ng ating lesson for today, kailangan batiin muna natin ang ating mga learners. Isa namang matsaya at gandang hapon, learners. So happy to be with you this afternoon from learners from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Okay. So learners, kapag may kakilala kayong grade 4 students, please don't forget to share this live stream para at least mapanood din, makasama natin sila. Okay, Tutor Joby?
Okay, syempre, isang matgandang araw sa ating mga online viewers. Na-share na nila, Tutor Wella, nakarating na sa aming province. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa classmate ko na principal ngayon na i-share na niya sa kanyang mga teachers para mapanood ng kanyang mga ng kanilang mga estudyante. Shout out kay Principal Belinda Matias ng Alicia West Central School, SDO Isabela. Ang aking classmate din na si Teacher Karen Marie Calibuso Tiburcio ng Panang Elementary School sa San Agustin District, SDO Isabela din po. At syempre sa lahat ng mga classmate ko, ng mga guro na ngayon ay nag-share din po sila para mapanood nila ang ating live stream. So, Tutor Wella?
Okay, saglit lang, Tutor Joby. Dahil bumati ka, huwag nating kalimutan batiin ang ating SDS, Ma'am Evalu Concepcion Agustin, ang ating principal na si Ma'am Regina R. Albay, ang ating magandang PSDS, Ma'am Diana Marie Dagli, and of course, sa sponsor ng t-shirt natin ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman, naka-uniform kami. Okay. To Kapitana Sheila D. Asis ng Manggahan, Pasig City, maraming salamat po sa t-shirt ng taga San Lorenzo Ruiz Elementary School. Thank you po, pagpalain po kayo. Okay, so Tutor Joby, learners natin kaya, kamustahin naman natin, mag-shout out tayo sa learners natin, Tutor Joby.
Okay, yes, Tutor Wella, ang nauna kong naisulat kanina na talagang unang-una siya, si Kurt Pascoe ng San Matias Elementary School. Ang teacher niya ay si Ma'am Maricar Garcia, si Janjan Cassia ng MPH Tabag Elementary School, ng si Martin Anog ng Gamu Central School. Ang teacher niya ay si Teacher Lina Montalvo, Altea Chloe Galvez ng Batangas po ito. So, yun po yung mga nakita ko. Si Heaven Tanghian din ng Davao City. Yan. Marami pa po, Tutor Wella. So, mamaya
Yes,
isa-isa ano natin.
Tutor Joby, maidagdag lang ako. Nandyan din si Belinda Machas ng Alicia South District, si Janjan Cassia, si Nadine Ferrer ng Balitid Sor Elementary School, si Raika Luis Carluen, si Melanie Kagiya, si Heavenly Tanghian, si Raika Luis na doble na. Okay, so Tutor Joby, let's start now. Siguro ready na sila.
Okay. Yes, so share pa po ninyo ang live stream mga learners ha, para mas marami, mas masaya. So let's proceed,
Opo.
Tutor Wella. Ano nga ba ang ating simula ng ating lesson? So, take it away, Tutor Wella. Uragon.
Okay. So, we have there Uragon. Anong ibig sabihin ng Uragon na yan? Okay, that is from Bicol. Ibig sabihin yan ay being brave. So, mga taga Bicol, sila po ay matatapang. Okay, let's start with this story problem. Bicolanos are known for their special liking for chilies. In fact, according to an article in philstar.com and also listed in Guinness, the world record holder for the most chilies eaten is a Bicolano named Heriberto N. Gonzalez Jr. Okay. So, Lolo Felix and these 5 friends were just like Heriberto, who loves to eat chilies. In Lolo Felix's farm, he and his friends were trying to divide all the 912 chilies evenly among themselves. How many chilies did each of them get? Okay, so sino na kayo nakatikim ng chiles? Okay, what are we going to do to solve this problem? So remember, our lesson for today is all about dividing 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers. So to solve that problem, we are going to use division. So take a look at division. Meron tayong dividend. Okay, meron tayong divisor, and the answer for division is the quotient. So the number inside the division sign, that is the dividend. Okay, so step 1, decide how many digits in the dividend the divisor can divide. So take a look at the dividend and the divisor. Since the divisor here is 6, which is a single digit number, let's check if the leftmost digit in the dividend is greater than or equal to 6. So, i-compare natin ang number sa dividend sa number sa divisor. Okay, so you have there 9 is greater than 6. So, pwede tayong makapag-divide. Okay, so let's divide. 9 is greater than 6, so let's divide 9 by 6. So 9 divided by 6, that is 1. So remember, children, if the leftmost, okay, Tutor Joby, if the leftmost number is lesser or less than 6, we have to use the first 2 digit. Pero kung kasya naman o mas mataas naman siya, so we go on with our division. So 9 divided by 6 equals to 1. 1 group of 6 in 9. So, and then we are going to multiply. We are going to write 1 on top of 9, and then we are going to multiply. So, multiply 1 times 6 with the divisor, which is 6. So, the answer is 6. Write the product under the digits in the dividend used in the previous step. Okay, and then after that, we're going to subtract. Subtract the product from the number formed by the digit in the dividend used in step 1. So you have there 9 minus 6 equals to 3. Okay, so after that, so 9 minus 6 is 3. So we are going to bring down 1. So bring down the next digit. The obtained difference in the previous step and this digit formed the number that is to be divided by the divisor. So, 9 minus 6 is 3, and then bring down 1. So, yan na ngayon ang ating dividend. 31 divided by 6. So, ilang 6 meron ang 31? So, we have 5. So, write 5 on top of 1. Okay? Or write 5 and then 5 times 6, that is 30. Again, let's continue the process, subtract. So 31 minus 30 equals to 1 and then bring down again the next digit or the last digit kung yan na ang last digit. So ang 2 ang last digit na natin, so bring down 2. So 12 divided by 6 equals 2 and then again we multiply the answer. 2 times 6, that is 12. So 12 minus 12, that is 0. Or we can say that no remainder. So 152 chilis each of for each of them. So children, so take a look, how are we going to divide without remainder? Okay, next, Tutor Joby. Okay, so this time, Tutor Joby with remainder. So tandaan nyo lang ang process kanina. So tandaan nyo lang yung acronym na CDMSB. Ano nga ba yun? So compare. For C, you're going to compare. Ano nga bang i-compare ninyo? The number in the dividend and in the divisor.
The divisor.
Yes. Then, divide. After dividing, multiply. After multiplying, they have to subtract. And then after that, they have to bring down. So take a look at this example. So this example is with remainder. So 4,593 divided by 45. So sabi nga natin, dahil 2-digit number na ang divisor, 2-digit na rin ang nasa dividend. Okay, so 2-digit number. So we have there 45 divided by 45 equals to 1. And then sabi nga, multiply. 1 times 45 equals 45. And then subtract. 45 minus 45 equals to 0. So no need to write 0. So
Yes.
bring down 9. 9 na. So 9 divided by 45. Since it is a lesser, we're going to write 0 on our quotient. So isulatan ng 0 doon sa taas ng 9. So 0 times 45 equals to 0. And then we have to subtract again. Okay. So 9 minus 0, that is 9. And then, sabi nga, the last digit, bring it down. So, bring down 3. Okay, so we have there 93 divided by 45. So, equals to 2. And then 2 times 45 equals to 90. And then we have to subtract again. So, take a look at there. 93 minus 90, that is minus equals to 3. Okay. So, may sobra tayo. So, ibig sabihin, ang number na to ay may remainder. Okay, remainder 3. Saan nyo isusulat ang remainder? Isusulat nyo ang remainder sa tabi, right side ng quotient ninyo. Okay, so the answer is 102 remainder 3, or you can write it also as 102 R.3. Okay.
Okay.
So, okay, next. Next, yes, Tutor Joby. Okay, they are ready to answer the activity. Sana maliwanag sa kanila, no? Okay,
maliwanag,
so Tutor Joby.
Na maliwanag. Yes, Tutor Wela, maliwanag na maliwanag. So, tingnan natin kung naintindihan nga nila, tingnan natin ang ating decoding. So, ano ang gagawin natin sa activity 1? So, divide and then use the letters to solve the riddle. Write the letter in the box above the corresponding result. So, kung makikita nyo po, children, merong mga letters katabi ng mga number sentence natin, yung division equation natin. So, meron tayong dyan, B-O-R-T-E. So, anong gagawin natin? So, what is the first name of Mr. Del Rosario, the Filipino inventor who invented the karaoke sing-along system in 1975. Oh, alamin natin kung sino yung Filipino inventor na yan by solving those division equation. So, sige nga children, i-comment down nyo yung inyong mga sagot. Sino nga ba itong Filipino inventor na to? Ang magiging sagot natin na lalabas ay 426 remainder 4, then 346 remainder 10, 56. So, meron tayong dalawang pareho ang sagot diyan, children. So, kung nakuha nyo yung first letter, mapupunta yan sa fifth letter. At yung second letter natin, mapupunta siya sa last letter natin. So, sige nga po, comment down your answer bago natin i-reveal. Before that, Tutor Wella, sige, mag-shout out muna tayo habang hinihintay ang kanilang mga sagot. Tutor Wella?
Okay. So, ano ko lang, Tutor Joby, dahil meron tayo dyang na the same ang answer, ibig sabihin the same din ang letter, di po ba?
Yes.
So, madali
Yes
na
po.
lang sa kanila ang sagutin ang ating problem. Okay, sino kaya ang inventor na yan? Okay, yan pa naman ngayon ang ginagamit ng mga tao dahil ngayon pangwala ng stress, di ba? Nagsising along.
Yes.
So, alamin natin kung sino pala ang naka-invent niyan. Sino pala ang inventor niyan. Okay. So, may nakita na ako, Tutor Joby.
Nakita ko din, Tutor Wella. So, shout out muna natin sila. Si Melanie Caguia, Catherine Ann Murillo, Krisha May Sebastian, Shikaina Luis Santos, Casey Nicole Camposano, si Yana Rain na ating suki talaga na sumusubaybay. Yana Rain. Then, Trisha May Pitorio, Melanie Cagiwa, Jasmine De Pedro. Hayan, Tutor Wella, lumalabas na ang kanilang mga sagot na alam na nila, na-solve na nila. So, tignan natin ang ating number 1. So, alin nga ba dyan sa mga division equation na yan, ang may sagot ay 426 remainder 4. Okay, so ano ang first letter natin? Tignan natin. Ang first letter natin ay R. At syempre, ang R na yan ay nasa fifth letter din, maya-maya. So, ibig sabihin, Tutor Wella, ang 5,968 divided by 14 is equal to 426 remainder 4. Okay, how about yung pangalawa? Ano ba yung pangalawa? Ayan, meron nang lumalabas, Tutor Wella. Okay, reveal na natin.
Opo,
so,
sige.
Ang second letter natin ay O. At anong number sentence natin dyan? We have there 5,200 divided by 15 is equal to 346 remainder 10. Then, pangatlong letter na tayo. Ano kaya yung equation na yan? Anong sagot ay 56? Letter B. So, we have 2,968 divided by 53 equals 56. Okay. Yan, nakikita ko, Tutor Wella, nagsasagot nga sila sa comment section. Andyan. Next, we have, fourth letter, we have 136, remainder 32, at ang ating number sentence ay letter E. So that is 6,288 remainder 40, I'm sorry. 6,288 divided by 46. Okay. So, sabi nga natin kanina, yung mayroon tayong parehong magiging sagot, syempre, nakikita na natin dyan, 426 remainder 4 ay letter R. Yes. At ito na lang, isa na lang huhulaan, ay sasagutan nila. Yung nasa 6th letter, at ang nasa 6th letter natin, 215 ang sagot. At ano nga ba yung number sentence na yan? So, we have their letter T. So, 5,590 divided by 26 is equal to 215. At ang panghuling letter natin ay pareho dun sa second letter. So, we have their letter O. So, ang pangalan pala niya, Tutor Wella, ay si Roberto Del Rosario. Siya ay Filipino inventor ng karaoke sing-along system. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, Tutor Wella. Okay.
At least pati tayo may alam na ngayon. Okay.
Yes.
So, shout out doon sa mga learners nating nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Umpisa pa lang, nasagot na kaagad nilang Roberto ang pangalan.
Oo.
Okay, so thank you learners. Ihanda rin ang inyong mga papel at lapis kung nahihirapan kayong mag-solve. So next activity, Tutor Joby.
Okay, tingnan natin kung ano nga ba yung next activity natin. So we have
Oh,
here activity 2. Number 1,
oh,
we have, yes,
Miriam and
Tutorella?
her mother packed 1,560 kilograms of rice in small plastic bags. How many plastic bags were used if each bag contained 15 kilograms? So, Tutor Joby, take a look at the number 1,560 and 15 kilograms. Okay, learners. Okay, comment down your answer now. Okay, so
Okay.
tingnan natin kung sinang nakakuha ng tamang sagot for this problem, Tutor Joby. Okay,
Ah,
I think naggagawa sila ng kanilang nagso-solve sila ngayon. Okay, so tingnan natin,
yes.
Tutor Joby, kung sino nga ang
Okay.
nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Okay, ang
Ah,
sabi ni Jason ay 104, si Heavenly 104. So, Tutor Joby, ano kaya ang tamang sagot?
okay, tignan natin kung ano nga ba yung tamang sagot dito. At ang tamang sagot ay 104 plastic bags were used. At tama nga po si Jason, si Heavenly Tanghian. Sino pa ba? Si Martin Anog, si Philip Oning, yan, si Mary Sofia Camacho, Kurt Raven Pascogin, si Casey Nicole Camposano also, and even Krisha May Sebastian. Yan, ang gagaling nila, Tutor Wella. So mag-proceed tayo at alam kong nag-e-enjoy sila. Pero shout out muna ha, shout out muna ako doon sa aking mga master teacher, si Ma'am Beth na lagi nakasuporta, si Sir Jason Cruz, si si Sir Narciso, at sa lahat ng mga master teacher ng San Lorenzo Ruiz, at syempre sa lahat ng mga teacher din po, at lalong-lalo na sa mga learners ng San Lorenzo Ruiz. Okay, so let's proceed, Tutor Wella.
Okay,
Okay,
take it away,
number
Tutor Joby.
Okay, number 2 naman. So, Mr. Santos ordered 375 kilograms of dried fish packed in bags of 25 kilograms each. How many bags of dried fish could Mr. Santos expect to receive? So, there are how many kilograms of dried fish? There are 375 kilograms. And each bag will contain 25 kilograms. So take a look at those numbers. So yan ang mga mahahalagang numbers para makuha nyo kung ilang bags nga ba ang matatanggap ni Mr. Santos na dried fish. Okay, children, comment down your answer. So shout out muna tayo, Tutor Wella, habang sila ay nagsosolve at may nakikita na akong mga sagot nila. Ang bibilis talaga ng ating mga learners. Okay. So, i-reveal na natin, nakikita na natin kung sino-sino nga ba
Oh,
yung
oh,
mga nakakuha, Tutorella. Okay,
yes,
ano ang sagot?
Tutor Joby,
Yes.
gusto ko lang batiin si Ma'am Erlinda Torre, yung ating pinaka-supportive na
Yes.
grade 4 teacher ng San Lorenzo Ruiz. Hello, Ma'am. Good afternoon po. So, the answers ito, Tutor Joby, tingnan mo naman, ang dami nilang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. So, 15, si Fiona, 15, si Yana, 15, si Casey, 15, si Fiona, okay, ang dami nila, si Martin, si Sean, si Melanie, si Erica, si Martin, si Jason, si Trisha. Okay, Tutor Joby, and they got it correctly. 15
Yes,
bags of dried
Tutorella.
fish.
Yes, ang
Okay.
gagaling nila, Tutor Wella. Ang bibilis nilang mag-solve. So, nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga magulang ng mga online learners natin. At syempre sa kanilang mga guro na alam natin na nag-e-encourage sa kanila para manood ng mga programs ng ETUlay at ng mga DepEd TV. Diba, Tutor Wella? So, let's proceed para magpatuloy ang mga batang ito. Alam kong excited na silang mag-solve. Okay. Yes. Next one is Andrea Cares. So, ano nga ba ang meron kay Andrea? So, Andrea wants to give boxes of oranges to the frontliners in her community. How many boxes of 10 oranges each can she make if there are 5,000 oranges. So, may magbibigay siya ng mga oranges sa kanyang sa mga frontliners sa kanilang community si Andrea. Ang bait ni Andrea talaga. Okay, so what are we going to do? We have to answer the questions to solve the problem. So, what is asked in the problem? So, it asks about the number of boxes of oranges Andrea can make. And what are the given facts? We have boxes of 10 oranges and 5,000 oranges. So what can you say about Andrea? So nakita natin magbibigay siya sa mga frontliners sa kanilang community. So Andrea wanted to keep the frontliners healthy by giving them oranges. And what kind of person is she? Katulad ba ninyo si Andrea, mga children? Ha? Sige nga, tingnan natin ano nga ba siya. She is kind and generous. Correct. So, dapat ganun din tayo para yung mga frontliners natin ay hindi mapapagod magserbisyo sa publiko. Okay, so let's continue. So, this is what are we going to do is dividing mentally 2 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, or 1,000 without remainder. So, ano nga ba yung dapat nating tandaan kapag tayo ay nagdi-divide mentally? So let's look at this example. So we have there 5,000 divided by 10. So 5,000 there is our dividend and 10 is our divisor. So take a look at our divisor. Ilang zero meron siya? So when a number is divided by 10, all its digit except in the ones place become the quotient. So yung ones place lang ang tatanggalin natin yan or ika-cancel natin. Remember, 10 is our divisor and we only have 1 zero. Isang zero lang. O kahit hindi ka na po dyan maggamit ng papel o ballpen para mag-solve, just look at the equation. So we have only 1 zero in the divisor. We will cancel 1 zero also in our dividend. So, our quotient will be the remaining digit. That is our quotient. So, our quotient is equal to 500. So, nakikita nyo, children? Sana na visualize nyo siya. Kahit hindi tayo kumuha ng papel at lapis, just look at it. We have only 1 zero in the divisor, cancel 1 zero in the dividend, and that the remaining number will be our quotient. Okay, so therefore, we have 5,000 as our divided by 10 yields a quotient of 500. So 5,000 divided by 10 equals 500. Next, so we have Andrea can make 500 boxes of 10 oranges. It's for the frontliners. Okay, so let's try also this number sentence. We have 5,000 divided by 100. So when a number is divided by 100, all its digits except in the tens and ones places form the quotient. So, katulad din dun sa 10, take a look at our divisor. Ilan ang zero natin sa ating divisor? There are 2. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-cancel lang natin yung dalawang zero sa ating dividend, yung ones and tens place. At yung remainder, ang remaining digit, ibig sabihin natitira, yun ang magiging quotient mo. Okay, so ang quotient natin sa 5,000 divided by 10 is
100.
equal to, divided by 100 rather, is equal to 50. Yan. So therefore, 5,000 divided by 100 yields a quotient of 50. Ayan. So next we have, try naman natin sa 1,000. So, take a look at our number sentence. So, we have there 5,000 divided by 1,000. So, when a number is divided by 1,000, all its digits except in the hundreds, tens, and ones places form the quotient. Katulad ng 10 at saka 100, tignan na naman natin yung ating divisor. So, in our divisor, we have there 3 zeros. Okay. Ilang zeros naman ang tatanggalin natin sa ating dividend? So, syempre, tatlo din kasi tatlo yung nasa divisor. So, ang remaining number dyan ay iisa na. So, yun ang magiging quotient natin. So, nakikita na ninyo, children? So, 5,000 divided by 1,000. Yung nabilugan, 5. Yan. At, so, 5,000 divided by 1,000 yields a quotient of 5. Diba? Ang bilis lang ng pag-solve mentally. Diba, Tutor Wella? So, alam ko nage-gets na ng mga learners natin. Nakikita ko na diyan yung kanilang mga sagot, oh. Naka-post agad yung kanilang mga sagot. So, dividing mentally naman to 2 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000 with remainder. Okay. So, simulan ko, Tutor Wella, ha? So, we have there 3,472 divided by 10. So katulad din yan nung yung mga zero natin kanina. So titignan mo lang yan, we have only 1 zeros. So when a number is divided by 10, all its digits except in the ones place become the quotient. So kanina, ikinancel natin doon sa zeros kanina without remainder. Pero dito, hindi natin siya ikakancel. Ano ang mangyayari doon sa ones place digit natin? Okay, so 3,472 divided by 10, makikita nyo, hindi nabilugan yung 2. At ang 2 na yan, ay ano kaya yan mamaya? Tingnan natin. So, 347 is the quotient. And yung hindi nabilugan na yan, yung ones place na yan, yun ang magiging remainder. So therefore, 3,000, ano ba yan, Tutor Wella? 300 ako ng 300. 3,472 divided by 10 is equal to 347 remainder 2. Okay, sana nagigets ng mga learners natin.
Okay,
so
Tutor Joby, dapat nilang tandaan na the non-zero number formed by the digits in the hundreds, tens, and sa dulo, yun
Yes.
ang magiging remainder nila. Yun
Yes
ang
po.
magiging remainder.
Mm.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Okay. So,
next naman, Tutor Wella, try natin yung 100 yung yes 100 naman. Okay, Tutor Wella, take it away.
Okay, so let's have this, Tutor Joby. 3,472 divided by 100. So take a look at the numbers in the ones and tens place. Okay, so when a number is divided by 100, all its digits except in the ones and tens places will be the quotient. So, tingnan ninyo kung ano ang quotient natin dyan. So, ano nga ba ang number natin sa ones and tens? We have there 2 for
And
ones, 7 for tens. So, tingnan natin what is the answer. So, we have there 34. 34 will be the quotient for 3,472 divided by 100. So, ang number na nasa ones and tens, yun ay remainder natin. So, ang tamang sagot, ang complete answer ay 34 remainder 72. Kapag ang division equation natin ay 3,472 equals 100. So, 3,472 divided by 100 gives a quotient of 34 with a remainder of 72. Always remember, children, that the non-zero digit in the ones and tens place will be our remainder. Okay. So next, Tutor Joby.
Okay, tingnan naman natin kung ang ating divisor ay 1,000. So we have 3,472 divided by 1,000. So when a number is divided by 1,000, all its digits except in the ones, tens, and hundreds places form the quotient. So ano yung mga digit natin na nasa ones, tens, and hundreds places? So we have in ones digit, may number 2 tayo. Sa tens place naman, merong 7. At sa the 100 place ay merong 4. So, sabi natin kanina, ito yung magiging remainder natin kasi our divisor is 1,000. So the remaining numbers will be our remainder. So sabi, the non-zero numbers formed by the digits in the ones, tens, and hundreds places become the remainder if there is any. So dito ay meron tayong remainder. At ang 3 natin ngayon ay ang ating quotient. So what will be our answer now? So we have there 3 remainder 472. So 3,472 remainder divided by 100 is equal to
1,000.
3.
Divided by
Divided by 1,000 is equal to 3 remainder
400.
472. So, 3,472 divided by 1,000 gives a quotient of 3 with a remainder of 472. Yan. Sana naintindihan ng mga learners natin, Tutor Wella. So, bigyan nga natin sila ng gawain, Tutor Wella. So, anong gagawin nila, Tutor Wella?
Okay, for this activity, you're going to complete the table. Solve the problem mentally. Okay, alam ko, learners, alam nyo na ang sagot dito kahit hindi na kayo kumuha ng papel at lapis or mag-solve. Alam kong alam nyo na. We start for 2,000 divided by 10, 2,000 divided by 100, 2,000 divided by 1,000. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Alam kong alam na nila ang gagawin nila dyan, Tutor Joby.
Yes.
Kasi
Oo.
a while ago, diniscuss mo yan. Diniscuss natin yan. Okay, tingnan natin. Learners, are you ready with your answers? Please comment down your answers, learners. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, but while we are waiting, shout out uli sa atin mahal na kapitan for this t-shirt. Kapitan Sheila Diazes, thank you so much. Okay,
Yes,
ang
of
ating
course.
mga teachers din na tuwing Friday inaabangan tayo. Teachers ng San Lorenzo Ruiz Elementary School, very supportive po sila. Okay, so Tutor Joby, I think may nakikita na akong mga sagot dyan. Okay,
Yes.
tama kaya, ito Tutor Joby, tingnan natin kung tama kaya ang sagot ni Jasmine, ni Pedro, ni Janjan, ni Zaclean David. Tingnan natin Tutor Joby, i-reveal na ba natin?
Yes, i-reveal na natin. Nakikita ko isang sagutan talaga sila na ibigay nila yung sagot. So we have there 2,000 divided by 10 is 200. At yan, kitang-kita nakuha nga po nila. Si Janjan, Kasia, Jasmine De Pedro, Princess Jamila Dohelio, Heavenly Tanghian. Yan. Then we have the next number, 2,000 divided by 100 is equal to 20. Nakuha ni Eva Luz, Alicia, Yul, Catherine Morillo, yan, Tricia May Torrio, Jason Paracad Francisco. Next, we have 2,000 divided by 1,000. We have 2. So, nakuha din ni Tricia May Torrio, ni Jason Paracad, Jemay Austria, Raika Luis, Carluen, NJ Toriaga. Ayan. So, next natin, Tutor Wella, we have 8,000 divided by 10, 8,000 divided by 100, 8,000 divided by 1,000. So, comment down your answer, children. Ayan, Tutor Wella na isagot.
Kanina pa, sinabay-sabay na nila, Tutor Joby. Kanina pa, kaya i-reveal na natin. I-reveal na natin ang sagot kasi excited na sila. Okay.
Sige,
So,
8,000 divided by 10, Tutor Wella ay?
800.
Next.
8,000 divided by 100, that is equal to 80. And 8,000 divided by 1,000, that is equal to 8. Okay. So, ayan, si Emerald, si Philip, si Shana. Marami pa silang nakakuha ng tamang sagot, Tutor Joby. Kanina pa pagkasagot nila sa 2,000 divided by 10, 100, 1,000, sinabay na nila yung 8,000. Okay, next activity, yes. Tutor Joby.
Ibig sabihin, Tutor Wella, naintindihan nila yung lesson.
Okay,
very good. Okay, let's proceed.
Activity.
Okay, so let's proceed.
This time,
Oh,
Tutor Joby, may remainder. Okay, bonus na yan, Tutor Joby. Okay.
na-reveal na. At
Oo,
siyempre
na-reveal na.
alam na nila 'yan, nakikita na nila yung sagot kasi
Uh,
binigyan natin sila ng hint. Okay, ayan, comment down your answer para sa 1,205 divided by 10 divided by 100 and divided by 1,000. So, yung next naman nating number ay 9,081 divided by 10 divided by 100 at divided by 1,000. Ayan, Tutor Wella, lumalabas na ang kanilang mga sagot. I-reveal na natin. So, we have there 1,205 divided by 10. Nakita na natin 120 remainder 5. Next, we have 1,205 divided by 1,000. We have 12
divided by
remainder.
100. Divided by
Yes, divided
100,
by
Tutor.
100. Yeah.
Apa.
1,205 divided by 100 equals 12. The remainder, 5. At ang panghuli natin dito sa column na to ay we have 1,205 divided
Divided
by
by
1,000.
1,000.
It gives us the answer 1 remainder 205. Next, Tutor Wella.
Okay. Tutor Joby, I think talaga namang alam ng mga learners natin ang gagawin. So, from the discussion kanina, alam kong naintindihan nila. It's because nakuha nila ang mga tamang sagot. Okay.
Yes.
For next number, we have 9,081 divided by 10, 9,081 divided by 100, 9,081 divided by 1,000, and it gives us the answer of for 9,081 divided by 10, okay, 908 remainder 1. Okay, ang daming may nakakuha na ng mga tamang sagot dyan, Tutor Joby,
Yes.
na umakyat
Opo.
na. Okay,
Oo.
next. For 9,081 divided by 100, the answer is 90 remainder 81. And for the last, 9,081 divided by 1,000, the answer is 9 remainder 81. Okay. So I
Kahit
think the
hindi na Yes, kahit hindi na isulat yung zero, Tutor Wella, kasi
yes,
tandaan
opo.
lagi natin na ang zero ay place value holder.
Okay.
Okay? Yes,
So
Tutor Wella,
let's
pagpatuloy na natin. Okay,
let's
next.
continue.
Okay.
Okay.
So, divide the following mentally. Alam kong kayang-kaya na nila yan, Tutor Wella. By
Okay.
looking at the division equation, nakikita na nila ang sagot. So, reveal na natin, Tutor Wella. So,
Yes.
250 divided by 10, it will give us the answer or our quotient is 25. Number 2, Tutor Wella?
Okay, number 2, 7,789 divided by 1,000. Alam nyo na ang sagot. 1 remainder, children, 789 of course. Okay, for number 3, Tutor Joby?
Yes, 650 divided by 100. Our quotient is 6 remainder 50. Okay, next, number 4.
Okay, number 4, 3,110 divided by 100. Okay, so learners, I think alam nyo na ito eh. Okay, anong
Yes,
tamang
Tutor
sagot,
Wella,
Tutor Joby?
nakapost na ang nakapost na nga po yung sagot nila. Okay, so
Oo.
our answer
Is
ang sagot.
31 remainder 10. Okay, for
Okay.
number 5.
We
Number
have there
5.
9,111 divided by 10. Ayan, isa lang po yung zero natin. At ano ang magiging sagot natin dito? Ang sagot ay 911 remainder 1. Okay, next, let's proceed. Additional activities. So, solve the following problems. So, how many 100 peso bills will there be in 7,654 pesos? How much will be the remainder? So, ilan daw 100 peso bills ang meron sa 7,654? So, ano ang sagot natin? Ang sagot diyan ay, pakita na natin, Tutor Wella. At na silang makita. We have there. Yes, we have. There will be 76 100 peso bills and the remaining amount is 54 pesos. Ayan, no, si
Okay, Tutor
Heavenly
Joby. Oo,
Tanghian,
yes.
yan, nakuha
Oo.
niya. Okay,
Marami pa
next.
silang nakakuha ng tamang sagot. Si
Yeah.
Sachi. Okay,
Oo,
very
yeah, oo,
good. Si
Sachi.
Shana, si Raika.
Mm.
Ay, sino ba? Si Heavenly. Okay. Sino pa ba? Si Mac Prince. Okay, si Rich.
Yes.
Okay, next Tutor Joby.
Next. Number 2, Tutor Wella, take it away.
Okay, Mrs. De La Cruz has 9,095 pesos. She wants to give it to 10 families affected by the Enhanced Community Quarantine or ECQ in her community. How much will each of the family receive if she decides to give each the same amount, which is a multiple of 10? How much money will be left? Okay. So, how much
Ayan.
money will be... Ay, naku, Tutor
Ayan, si
Joby.
Shana, nakikita ko na si Shana, si Jemay, yan, sino pa ba? Si Raika Luis, Heavenly Tanghian, ang sagot nila ay 905 remainder, ay 909 remainder 5. Tingnan nga po natin kung ganun nga ang sagot. Yes, Tutor Wella, its family will receive 909 pesos and there will be left na 5 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, 9,095 pesos divided by the 10
9,000.
family.
Yes.
9,095 pesos divided by 10 families. Each family will receive 909 pesos at may natira pang 5 pesos.
Pesos.
Okay, yan. Tapos na naman ang ating oras, Tutor Wella. Medyo nandyan na-excite. Okay, so ano nga ba itong next natin, Tutor Wella?
Okay, so
Scan me.
learners, mabilis ang panahon, mabilis ang oras, learners. Tapos na naman kami ni Tutor Joby. So learners, we want to know your feedback, comments, and suggestions, rather. Kaya don't forget to scan me. Okay, scan me now, learners or viewers, sino man ang nakakita na to. Please scan me now. Okay, so isang matsayang hapon, isang magandang Friday ang nangyari sa atin ngayon, Tutor Joby. Kaso nga lang, wala na tayong oras. Overtime na tayo. Kaya maraming salamat, learners from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. God bless everyone. Okay, Tutor Joby?
Yes. Thank you so much sa ating mga supporters na nandyan lagi sumusubaybay sa ating ETUlay Math 4 every Friday 3 to 3:40 p.m. Asahan namin kayo sa susunod na Friday. Isa na namang math kabuluhang hapon sa inyong lahat. Salamat po. Thank you so much. So, up next, we have Tutor Joshua and Tutor Jordan for Math 5. Bye-bye. God bless
Bye-bye.
everyone.
Keep safe, everyone.
Yes, of course.
Bye-bye.
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag ETUlay Level Up. Huwag aalis ha, dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan. Dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!